What?
I said it on the floor.
Are we just not...
Oh, geez, you left the fire trail.
Oh, no. Oh, no!
Pretty sure that's how Ben 10 started.
Landed it. This is Ben 10 now. You look like the uncle from Ben 10.
Kinda.
Or Grandpa or whatever it is.
Uncle Ben? No, Grandpa Ben.
Uncle
He
Ben.
wasn't there. He was their, he was
Uncle
their
Ben
grandpa.
died.
He was their grandpa. His name wasn't Ben though, was it?
David, we are not going the right way.
You're stuck.
Oh, what?
You.
Where did you go?
Dave?
Don't move.
I can't stop moving.
Are you using the controller again?
Yes. Where did you go?
He gone, boy.
David?
Stay there.
David, I'm scared.
Yeah, you got a reason.
I'm clipping that.
He just one hands like a full shotgun to his face. You better be.
You got a reason to be scared now.
Alright,
You were facing forward, then you twisted your body around and shoved the gun through my head. You're just holding it like a pistol.
I am?
Wait, start running the other way. Oh no!
I remember this one scene, I think it was the original Batman or whatever. It was a Batman movie that had Jack Nicholson in it as the Joker.
Oh,
And, there was
89?
one scene where he pulls out a revolver, but the barrel for the gun is like 5 feet long.
Oh.
Wait, hold on, I have to look for the picture. I'm gonna see if I can find any Google images. I was saying the movie was pretty good.
Oh crap! David, I'm sorry!
What is he doing?
David, I think I might have accidentally killed you.
Yeah, he's dead.
Why is it that I'm always one that's accidentally killed?
I don't know. Spicy drink.
Oh. What?
That doesn't sound like sparkling water.
A girl. A girl! A girl!
It's a girl!
David, a girl is in here.
Show Bob, open Gucci.
A girl. Open bomb. Oh, we're gonna get banned.